Hey guys, good morning. I am right now one of the world's famous scenic drive actually, which is called Chapman's Peak Drive. And that drive, I'm just walking because the toll gate is closed for the windy day today. So my plan is to do a Chapman's hike trail where I have to hike almost 2 hours of hike, and from there I'll see the 360 view of this Chapman's Peak drive around. I mean the Nordic Beach. I can see the Houts Bay. I can see the other beautiful mountain peaks from the top. That's my plan, and it's really very beautiful and very nice. It's so cool weather. It's really amazing to watch such a beautiful scenic place. You know, this place is very famous even in our Hindi Bollywood movies, where the race movie was also shoot here, where there was a race between two cars, and this was shoot on this Chapman's Peak driveway actually. So in my future video, you can see sometime in the tag and on the top of this video in future, where I'll do entire shoot of this Chapman's Peak scenic drive. Today is not the time where I can do it because my car was not allowed to go inside this. Just so I'm walking here. So I'll change my plan. So now I'm going to hike the Chapman's Peak mountain actually. So, but in future I'll make sure that I'll put a video on the Chapman's Peak scenic drive, which is one of the world's best scenic drive, which is situated in Cape Town, South Africa. And let me tell you something more about this, why this Chapman's Peak name was there. What I read from the various websites, that a British sailor John Chapman, who came in the search of fresh water to the shore, and that shore now it is called as Houts Bay, and that's where this drive, this road named in his name, that is Chapman's Peak Drive. Believe me, it's really amazing to watch. And early morning you come to here and you see the beautiful calm quiet place, and you hear only the ocean sound and the bird sound. It's really amazing. That's why it's really beautiful to watch the beautiful mountain from here. You can see this beauty now. You can see that. That's really amazing. You can see the Atlantic blue ocean, and you can see that mountain, which is the Surf mountain there. That's called the Knife Edge mountain, and that you can see, that's the beach. That's called the Houts Bay. The good thing is that because this drive is closed now for the car actually, because of this windy and cloudy weather, the government has stopped the car movement on this road. So we are very free to now walk on the main road. I'm very lucky that I got this opportunity to walk on the Chapman's Drive, and I really feel very great. It's a winter season now, so it's very cold also, but after doing some kind of work, then I really feel warm and I'm feeling better actually. But still it is cold. My hands are also freezing when I'm holding this camera. A lot of people do cycling, they're running, they're also doing jogging. So I came with my African friends, and they really invited me that you can come for a hike with them. So they're a little bit far from me. I'm just behind because I'm doing this vlogging. You know, the best part is, I never get tired actually. No matter how much I see this beauty of these mountains and this sea and the Atlantic Ocean, the greenery, so I never get tired. And even if I have a problem with my left muscle of my leg, so which I'm not able to walk that comfortable actually. So, but still I get the courage, I get inspired by watching all this beautiful mountain, the beautiful road, the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. So that really inspires me. Even if I have my pain or whatever, but still I don't want to miss this opportunity, because these are my treasures of my life. And everybody should always enjoy the nature, because you never get bored with that. No matter how much you see, I mean, you will always enjoy the nature. That's my way of doing the things, and I always prefer that. So if you wanted to come only for Chapman's Peak hike, you no need to pay the toll. That's the good thing, where you can only ask for a day pass, which is free, where you can go to up to the limit where your Chapman's Peak hike starts. I'll show you that place where that's your free area, where up to that you can go. You can take your car, you can park, and you can climb from there. So you can see this is the Chapman's Peak hiking trail. From here your hiking starts. So there is no day pass required for me, but if you are coming by your car, then you need to park at this place, and then you can start your hiking. I heard it's almost 2 hours of 2.5 hours based on your hiking experience. It goes up, and 2 hours required to come down. Let's move on. I'm just enjoying this scenic beauty, whatever on my way. The beautiful flowers also, the beautiful waterfalls on my way. So let's see how it goes. It's like a moderate hiking. It was written on the website also, where for this hiking what is required. It's a moderate hiking. Although I climbed Level Mountain, that was a little tough for me, but this was till now fine. Only thing is big stones are there on my way, but it's all right for me. Just need good endurance to climb this kind of moderate hiking actually. Sometimes the sun comes very bright and sometimes it's cloudy. So whenever I get this bright sun, I just stop, take some videos and also take some photos with my fellow hikers. So it's really good. I feel the warm now. I mean, I'm wearing a jacket which is having the birds feather, so it's warm, but the moment I try to take out, I feel very cold, because the Atlantic wind is very cold, and if you get this freezing wind here, even if the sun is there, you get the freezing wind here. So you feel the cold, but still you need to wear the jacket and the headscarf so that you will not get cold, and then keep hiking. That's the beauty of this hiking trail actually. What I read in the website, that initially there will be a vertical hike and then there will be a horizontal I mean hike where you no need to have to climb anything. It's just a plain walk, which I'm showing you right now. And after that again there will be a vertical hike which will take you to the peak. So that's where the hiking ends. It's very comfortable hike till now, not very difficult actually, although in Table Mountain it was a little bit tough for me because it is completely vertical hike from start to end. You need to keep on climbing like staircase with big rocks, but here it is not like that, but still you can see the amazing view of those mountains which I shown you, and also the sea beach from here, the blue Atlantic Ocean. So that's the great thing about this hike. But one thing is, guys, if you're coming for hike, it's always a safety measure. The government also says never come alone. There are some incidents happened already on many hiking mountains actually, so it's always advisable come with your groups, at least 4-5 people. And in case, let's say, if you are in a bad luck where some criminal try to mug you, it's always advised hand over your things, whatever you have. Don't resist, just give it. But that's the reason you don't bring your cash, expensive items. If you are bringing, then come with a group. It's very windy here, so I can show you the lovely scene from here. Watch this. Now I have to tell something for my subscribers who are from my state Odisha, and they have already started messaging me in my WhatsApp that what you heard in your breakfast before climbing. So let me tell this in my Odia language. It's only specific for those subscribers who are from Odisha. So let me tell you. भाई मु पूरा चूड़ा कदली क्षीर भल भाव बोबाल भाव खाई पूरा चढ़ुची से देसी खाद्य आमर जबरदस्त ये ब्रेड बटर एड़ा सब ऑफिस टाइम रे ठीक हाइकिंग पे आमर चूड़ा कदली क्षीर पूरा चकटा ही बढ़िया भाव के सर सहित से मु चढ़ुची. सो दिस इज द लाइन फॉर माय ओडिया सब्सक्राइबर्स. Sorry guys, if you don't understand this language, don't worry. It's just specific for those people who really, started, my friends who are at Odisha, and they just saw my status on my WhatsApp and then messaged me. So I'm saying these lines for them. So that's the amazing food item what I've taken from my breakfast, and that's what I told. Okay guys, okay, let me move on. It's really amazing view from here. That's my hiking group. Energetic people, very nice people. That's the peak. Yeah, we should go. This is quite tough because I have to hold my camera in one hand and I need to maintain my balance to do this slightly vertical climb. I have finally reached the top of Chapman's Peak. That's the point where you will reach, and that's where your mission is complete. I have to hold this because it's very windy. I have to take a 360-degree view from here, which I promised from the beginning of this video that there will be a 360 view from here. So let me do that. That's the fish hook, and that's where the Norduk sea beach, and that's also here the Norduk area. That's a far, there's a lighthouse. I just forgot the name just now. Somebody, one of the hikers, they just told me, I just forgot the name. There's a lighthouse there, and that's the beautiful Atlantic Ocean, and that's where you can see the Knife Edge Mountain and other range, the Lion's Head. It's very windy, and I'm also a bit scared now. I have to go the same way. I mean, the edge is there, so I have to finish my little bit. I'll have my juice and then I will start climbing down because it's very windy and it's very cold. So I hope you have enjoyed my video, guys. Please give a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe my channel. Bye bye from Roaming Devi. Stay safe, enjoy your life. Okay, see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.